A watermark is a text or an image on a page, but it's washed out or faded. Something that's subtle, like when you watch TV, you can see the little logo down below of some station here. Well, if you want to put that, like for Santa's toy store, maybe the picture of Santa behind the data here, you want to wash it out or fade it, otherwise you won't be able to focus on the numbers here. But something that's subtle that you can say, oh, that's nice, and kind of makes it more aesthetically pleasing to look at, as in this example. So to go ahead and insert an image and then to convert it or wash it out so it'll appear as a watermark behind the data here. Then we want to go and insert our headers and footers, which you can watch my training video on that. But in short, come up here, click on the Insert tab, go to the text group, and there it is, header and footer. Click on it. It changes views, as you recall in the header and footer training video. So on the View tab, we're in the page layout. You can't see it or it's not highlighted because when you're in the page layout view and you're in the header or footer section, you don't get the options to see what view you're in, as well as even changing views. So if you click out of the header section, then you can see it's highlighted page layout. And then you can go back to the normal view. But you can't do that when you're in the header or if you scroll down and click anywhere within the footer. You get 3 sections within the footer and you get 3 sections within the header. Now remember, anything that you insert into the header or footer is going to appear on every single page. Well, we only have one page, so that's not going to make a difference, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and click anywhere within the header. I'm going to do it in the center section and then insert a picture by coming up to its related contextual design tab. Go to the header and footer elements group and click on picture. And let's go ahead and look for Santa. Hit enter. We're going to do an online search. Oh, he's a jolly old elf. Let's go ahead and scroll through to find something that will represent Santa here for our database. Oh, he looks all right. Let's go ahead and select him. Click Insert. And it shows the code for the picture. If you actually want to see the picture, then click outside of the header, like down below, and there's the picture. Now you can see that he's in full color mode. He's not washed out or bleached, so it may be a little bit hard to read the numbers, except with his white beard I can actually see some of the numbers, so hey, that's not too bad. But in any case, let's go ahead and click back up in here, and with the code selected for the picture, we can click in front of it, hit enter a couple of times so we can push the code down, so in turn when I click off, it pushes Santa down. Then we can come back up here, and with the code selected, come up here on the Design tab to the Header and Footer Elements group, click on Format Picture, and if you want to shrink up the picture, maybe it's too big. Let me see. Yeah, it might be a bit big. How about if we just do 2 inches? Type in 2. For the width, if I hit the Tab key, because it's got Lock Aspect Ratio checked, it'll update the height as well. So when I click OK, oh, that's not too bad. So maybe with him being smaller, I can hit enter several more times to push him down even further. Okay, let's just go with it. You get the idea. Let's go ahead and click in here, click on Format Picture. Now in addition to that, let's click on the Picture tab and change the color from automatic to something washed out. So the brightness is going to be at 85%, the contrast at 15%. So when I click OK, wow, because of that, you can't really see him too well because of the white beard. So when I click off, well, that's the purpose of the watermark. You want to play with the washout and brightness to make it distinguished enough, but not too washed out, like in this case, where you can't even see what that is. I see an eye. Ooh, that's pretty spooky. You don't want one eye looking at you without some definition behind it, but you get the idea. You can go ahead and play with that and customize it and tweak it so it actually looks like a pretty cool watermark, except for maybe just cresting above the header row here. I think we did pretty good. And then, to get out of this view, the page layout, come up here, click on the View tab, and I can actually click on Normal because I'm not in the header. If I was in the header, I couldn't click on it, so I got to go back down, click on a regular cell, click on the Normal, and it's not going to display it in the normal view, but will it print off? Of course. Let's go File, down to Print, because whatever you see in the print preview is going to be coming out of your printer. Let's click on it to zoom in, scroll over. That's a little bit better in black and white. But again, that's just the one-eye guy. His other eye is hidden behind the numbers. So I guess with the hat, it might be kind of a giveaway. In any case, you pick the Santa for your example. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.